Hello everyone and welcome to another video. My name is Kushi and I am a media student. And in this video I am going to share with you the subjects that I study as a media student. So first of all I want to tell you that I have done BJMC, that is Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, which is a 3-year course. And during these 3 years we totally have 6 semesters, and in each semester we have 5 subjects. So 5, 6 are 30, and we studied 30 subjects in 3 years. First of all, I want to tell you that these subjects can vary from university to university, but some of them are very common, and let's see them one by one. In first semester, we have a subject, Growth and Development of Media, in which we used to study the history of newspapers, magazines, radio, television and cinema. We used to stuff like which was the first newspaper, which was the first TV serial, etc. It is a complete theoretical subject, we don't have any practical, but this subject is very easy. Another subject is reporting and anchoring. In this subject we used to study writing for newspapers, news anchoring. So this subject has theory as well as practical. In practical we get some assignments, like we have to write news stories, we have to record our own anchor part and so on. This subject is not easy but not difficult if you are really interested in hardcore journalism. Another subject is Introduction to Communication and Mass Communication, in which we used to study things like communication, the related concepts and theories, about mass communication, the related concepts, tools and theories. Again, a completely theoretical subject, but really very easy. Next subject is Computer. This subject is particularly not related to media, but it is necessary to know for everybody, and we used to study it according to the UGC guidelines. This subject has theory as well as practicals. In practicals, we used to do stuff like MS Word, MS Excel and PowerPoint. Again, a very easy subject. The subject English is again not particularly related to media, but again it is necessary to know for all the media students. The subject has theory as well as practical. But you will ask, practical in English, how it is possible? So in this subject we used to study the pronunciations, then how to introduce yourself in public, how to present PowerPoint presentations. So all this stuff we used to study in English, and those things we used to do in practicals. So in second semester we have a very good subject, that is Basics of Media Writing. It is a very good subject for all those students who are interested in writing. We'll learn writing for newspapers, like news articles, features, editorials. We also get to know about scripting for radio and television. It is a theoretical as well as a practical subject, and in practical we used to write the articles, scripts, features, etc. But overall it is a slight difficult subject, and it will be more difficult for those who don't have any interest in writing. Another subject is radio production. In this subject we used to everything related radio, like how to write the radio shows, how RJ used to announce, and how the transmission of radio programs are done. Again, a theoretical as well as a practical subjects, and we used to make a lot of radio shows in the practical assignments. It's a very easy subject. Next subject is Basics of Photography, in which we used to study the photography related concepts, types of cameras, types of lens, compositions, lighting, shadows, photojournalism, etc. It is a theoretical as well as a practical subject, and we get the practical related assignments. So it's a really interesting subject. Next subject is English. Again, as in the first semester, the same thing is here in the second semester as well. It is again a theoretical as well as a practical subject. And the last subject of the second semester is Field Study. Field Study is a complete practical subject in which we don't give any written exam, but in place of the written exam we get some assignments, and in those assignments we have to do the on-field work. It means our professor used to tell us that go to that particular place and do reporting, go to that particular place and write the news story, like this. In third semester, we have a subject Indian Constitution in Politics. It is a complete theoretical subject, quite difficult. But see, we are in media and we must know the laws and regulations in Constitution as well as the political scenario of our country as well as the world. So this is a subject that is necessary to study by each and every media student. Second subject is the television production, in which we used to study how television programs are made. Television programs like serials, talk shows, interviews, news programs, reality shows, music videos, etc. It is a theoretical as well as a practical subject. In the practical, we have to make these kind of shows, and it's really an interesting subject. Next subject is public relations. This subject is quite oftenly related to the corporate sector, like how a company, how an organization maintain good relation with its internal as well as the external public. Again, a theoretical and practical subject, and in the practical we have to create PR campaigns for the organizations. This subject is not particularly easy, but I don't think so that it is difficult at all. Anybody can study it. Fourth subject is the media and culture study. Yes, one is the difficult subject. This one is really the subject that you can say कि सर के ऊपर से जाता है, कुछ समझ नहीं आता. A complete theoretical subject in which we used to study different kind of cultures like mass culture, folk culture, pop culture. Plus also about the Frankfurt School, critical theories, semiotics, signs, symbols and codes. The last subject of this semester is environment studies. This subject is not particularly related to media, but it is necessary for the media students to know about the environment, about the surroundings, and also this subject is compulsory to study according to the UGC guidelines. It is a completely theoretical subject in which a student learn everything about the environment like pollution, biodiversity, natural resources and environment related laws and regulations. It is an easy subject. In the fourth semester, we have the most interesting subject, that is advertising. This subject is necessary in media because advertisements are the main source of revenue for any media house. This subject is very interesting, very creative. We have theory as well as practical. In the practical, we make advertisements not only for newspapers, magazines, radio, television and online platforms, but also we used to create brochures, posters, pamphlets and even hoardings. Next subject is digital and social media, in which we used to study about information and communication technology, social and digital media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube and all. It has theory as well as practical. In practical, we have to create content for social media, and it's a very easy subject because we know today everybody are using social media. Next subject is media management, in which we used to study management related concepts like how media houses do planning, staffing, organizing, directing, controlling, etc. It is a completely theoretical subject and very easy. Next subject is corporate communication, which is a very easy and theoretical subject in which we used to study how communication is done in corporate sector. We focus on formal ways of communication like house journals, emails, brochures, exhibitions, press conferences, press releases, etc. Next subject is media laws and ethics, in which we study the different rules and regulations related to media. It is a theoretical subject and a little bit difficult because we have to memorize different dates, laws and amendments. In fifth semester, we have a subject script writing. It is an interesting subject but difficult for those who are not interested in writing. In this subject, we learn how to do scripting for different TV programs, films and radio programs. We also study related concepts and theories. It is a theoretical and a practical subject. In practical, obviously, we have to write the scripts. Next subject is film studies. It is my Favorite subject. In this subject, we study about the history of films, the aesthetics, the production, cinematic analysis, and about the popular directors of Indian as well as foreign cinema. It is a theoretical as well as the practical subject. In practical, we get the assignments related to film analysis. It is a good subject for those who want to know about aesthetics and mise-en-scene. It is a very easy subject because everybody is fond of watching movies nowadays. Next subject is news agencies and journalism. It is a theoretical and a very easy subject, but I felt that it is somehow boring. In this subject, we study about news agencies of world like Reuters, AP, AFP, and about the national news agencies like PTI, UNI, ANI, etc. Next subject is human values and professional ethics. This subject is not particularly related to media, but it is compulsory to study according to the UGC guidelines. This subject is quite similar to the moral science that we used to study in childhood. It is an easy and theoretical subject. Next is internship. In internship, we don't have to give any written exam, but we have to work on field. We have to do a job. And we have to submit the report in the college. This subject is good to get on-field experience. In the last semester or in the 6th semester, we have a subject global media in which we study about the world media scenario. It is a theoretical and easy subject. Next subject is documentary production, a theoretical as well as a practical subject. It is very easy subject. In theory, we study about the pre-production, production, post-production of documentaries, and in practical we actually have to create documentaries. Next subject is multimedia journalism. In this subject we study how a news story is created using text, images, videos, audios, graphics and animation. It is a theoretical as well as a practical subject. In practical we have to create news stories for multimedia. It is a very easy subject. Fourth subject is field study. This subject is same as it was in the 2nd semester, in which we get some assignments and we have to do on-field work, a completely practical subject. The last subject is dissertation, which is also known as minor research project. In this subject, we have to take a topic, conduct a whole research on it, and under the guidance of a teacher, we have to prepare a thesis and submit the thesis. It is a completely practical subject. But see, research is not a subject that one can do without any theoretical knowledge. So definitely the professor have to taught the theory first, and then we do the practical one, then we make the thesis. And yes, again this is a subject that I will tell that yes, it is difficult. हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं. So that's all about the today's video. And that's all are the subjects that I have studied. I hope that this video will be helpful for you all. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and leave a comment if you want that I make a particular video on the topic of your choice. See you in the next video.